Hello, Junkaholics. Well, we're on our way to Wildrose auction to pick up yesterday's online auction treasures. And I just thought I'd take this opportunity for you Star Trek fans to show you Vulcan. That's right, I said it. Vulcan, Alberta. I imagine this is where Spock came from. I don't know. I'm making that shit up. But this is Vulcan, Alberta. Now you can all say you've seen it. So, Junkaholics, we're back from the auction. And I just want to show you some of the stuff. I got some scale parts. Not in very good shape. It's got this. This might be, oh, that might be copper right here. Copper or brass is turned green. Wine press. Old school nail puller. I think here's some more parts. Some kind of a thingamajig. We also got 6 high bay lights. I'll get that unloaded and come back and show you the rest. So we also got this cool lamp. I might try to resell that even though it's got some dent only on the edge, but it's got a cool shade. I got this porcelain insulator. I got 2 of those actually. One's inside the truck. We got these 2 crates full of animal traps. So next up we've got these bleached cattle skulls. They actually sell quite well. I got 4 of them, and I'll be reselling those. They sell well at the antiques shows and swap meets, that kind of thing. I have more stuff in here. I got three boxes of these telephones. There's another box there, another box here. I'll see if I can make 1 or 2 good ones out of the 9 phones that I have. The rest will just go into scrap. I'll probably have a video on breaking down those old phones and what's inside and stuff. I picked up this old security light. And this box full of household electrical shit. Like miscellaneous stuff. Some wire, some Romex wire. a spool of commercial trim line, some ballast, some of these, floodlight, just a pile of crap that I have to go through. Another scale part. And then we got 2 water coolers. I'll be testing them because I wouldn't mind having one. If they don't test out well, then we'll be doing the scrapping video on that. So that's it for this episode of Nice Junk. Make sure to like, share, not subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll talk to you next time.